WW ride for a reason.
You don't need a toy, I'm picking a bike.
Oh, this is it. Running the #1 plate and everything. Let's go. I'll take that. Thank you. Back to our favorite spot. WW Ranch. This is so beautiful. Riders. Car show going on. We got the band. We got the boys hammering. Look who it is. What up, brother?
How we doing?
Good. Course is mint.
Hell yeah. Look at how gnarly this course is. Wow. Insane. Dude, those are big. Yeah, dude, I don't like it.
Found the money line right there. What's up, boys?
What up?
How we doing?
What's up, dude?
How's the course?
Beefy. Beefy. Good stuff.
Soupy boys. They're just playing around.
What up,
brother? How you doing? How's the course?
It's pretty good.
Looks dialed.
Dude. What up, dude?
Sam? Okay, yeah, sure, yeah. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Yeah, do you like the track?
Oh yeah, a couple laps out here kicked your ass.
Yeah, don't worry about it, bro. Oh, you out here now? Yeah, we're out. I'll see you around. Yeah, for sure. Couple times. Later, man. I'll be water truck guy.
Got the whole crew.
Later.
That was great.
Where the lines are today, there's definitely like no way you're doubling this.
I was trying to double from earlier from that. Just try to
Double
jump
out?
onto Burr.
He was like, what if
2 p.m. Wow. Precision. Wow, this course is dialed.
right here to that, like, dude, that edge is just so greased.
Oh, and you got deer.
Deer.
Even the deer love Soupy.
Coyotes too. Dude, it's way different. That little hip double is sick.
This right here is probably the only double I'd hit.
Yeah.
This course is going to be gross.
It's like it's like steeper on the downside and like less on the front side. Like it's so
Wow, back-to-back whoops. Wow, that's a negative for me.
yeah.
That is a big old nope.
Back to back whoops.
Carson's nasty.
Nasty.
Wow. Would you hit that?
Yeah, right, buddy. Yeah, right.
I don't think you could pay me.
No. Look at the fucking Geo.
Look at how
Look
cooked
at
out
that,
they
dude.
are. Wow.
Yeah, right.
Boys, we're laying it down on Soupy today. This track is insane.
Hey, I'm Junior from WW Motocross Park, and this is our 8th or 9th, I'm not sure, ride for a reason, and look at what we got this year. We had a bad weather forecast. I was on pins and needles all week, but the good Lord took care of us with the weather today. It was overcast, a little misty, track was unreal, and look at what we're taking to the church for the kids. Thanks to everybody that supports WW Motocross Park, and Merry Christmas.
Not one full spec Soupy, but 2. Does it get much better than that? And a pro national motocross track.